Hello, I just wanted to do a quick announcement for the It's Totally Not a Bribe, but it is part one giveaway that I'm going to be doing. It's going to be a three-piece giveaway, one for Facebook, one for Instagram, and one for YouTube, where a prize will be given away on each of those sites. When my Facebook page of DenaliDownSouth, the actual page, not the profile, reaches 500 likes, I will be doing a giveaway for a prize. When the Instagram page, DenaliDownSouth, reaches 500 likes, I will also be doing a giveaway. And when the YouTube page reaches 100 subscribers, I will also be doing a giveaway. Just wanted to give this quick video announcing my giveaway plans and let you know that there will be an upcoming giveaway to look forward to once we reach those numbers. Have a good one. It's totally not a bribe.